First, regarding the accidental activation, it has a function as a safety locked mode. As now you can see, if I hold these pins, and if I tilting my breadboard, the mouse isn't activated. So, but if I hold the D0 and D3 pins at the same time, the LED is blinked. Now, it means the mouse is activated. So this function, it can help prevent the accidental activation. It can only start by holding on the D0 and D3 pins at the same time. So, and also how it faces environmental noise. Well, I have two functions. The first one is about the calibration in my setup. It always measures the environmental capacitance. And also, I have a software dead zone here. So even if MPU 6050, it always has some, like small angle tilting. If you just tilt it in small angles, the mouse didn't move. It means using this dead zone, like I use some threshold values to make sure the mouse only moves when the tilting angle is larger than the threshold. So based on this, the calibration and the dead zone, I can face the environmental noise. You can say my mouse doesn't move at all if I tilt it different angle. Like this is the environmental noise.